Hello, today we will guide you through how to unblock IP in Cloudflare. In this walkthrough, we'll be updating a security rule inside your Cloudflare dashboard so that a previously blocked IP is no longer affected by that rule. If you already know which rule is causing the block, this process should be quick and straightforward. Begin by opening the Cloudflare dashboard and going to the Domains Overview area of your account. Once you're there, look through your list of domains and select the sample domain you want to manage. This takes you into the settings and protections that apply specifically to that website. After the domain opens, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Security. This section contains the tools Cloudflare uses to filter, challenge, allow, or block traffic. From there, click on Security Rules to view the rules currently active for the domain. On the Security Rules page, find the sample rule that is related to the blocked IP or traffic condition you want to change. When you locate it, click the three-dot menu beside that rule. This opens additional options for managing it. From that menu, choose Edit to open the rule configuration. Once the rule editor appears, scroll down until you see the action dropdown. This setting determines what Cloudflare does when incoming traffic matches the rule. For example, a rule might be set to block, challenge, or allow requests depending on how it was originally configured. Click the action dropdown and select the sample action shown for your case. This is the key part of the process because changing the rule's action is what removes the block behavior for the IP affected by that rule. As you make this change, it's a good idea to quickly review the rest of the rule so you understand what traffic it matches. That way, you avoid unintentionally affecting other visitors. After selecting the correct action, click Save to apply the update. Cloudflare should then store the revised rule and begin enforcing the new behavior. If the IP was being blocked specifically because of this rule, the unblock should now be in effect. If you still notice access issues afterward, give the change a moment to propagate and then test again. You may also want to confirm that there are no other security rules affecting the same traffic. That's all it takes to update the rule and unblock the IP in Cloudflare.